Hey guys, break from Frontline Airsoft here to bring you mini gameplay, gameplays from last weekend games. Sorry it's taking a while, apparently YouTube does not accept MP4 files, so I had to redo the editing on a different computer and upload it from there. So I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Alright, target sighted, target sighted. Target's moving right. Target's still advancing right. Contact right! Wait, Nick, is it not feeding?
This one's not feeding. Hey, keep it big. Keep it big.
Alright, they're moving left.
The only reason TJ got Zach.
I got Zach. No, I was close to getting CJ though.
Behind us.
Hey, keep watching. Oh, hit!
Oh, down hit.
Alright.
Seth,
You started?
Yeah.
we need a team of two to go straight. We need a team of two to go straight in it.
Alright. I'll see you on the black side.
One guy needs to go this way and make a feint, and then go back the other way.
I'll see you on the black side. Force.
Actually, we need to all go together, hit the left, and then two of us pull back. One guy stays up. Okay?
Okay.
We can try that if we can get it down. But what's your plan?
Ready! Keep your gun up, just in case. David, right there. David's like straight right there.
One of us can stand and take him out. No,
He's right there. He's right there.
He's waiting for us.
That was a fucking waste of time.
They're just gonna counterattack us and we have you don't have a clear sight on that. Late thing's not fucking working. Clear who's minute.
Call it!
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh, hit! Wait, are you hit? Okay. Zach. 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 Have you seen that video? Evike and Matt and Jet. Matt and Jet, just the two of us with the GMP shotguns.
Yeah. Marty, can you turn my gun real fast? Is that tight? It's good enough.
Hold your gun.
Never mind, I got it.
Oh, okay. So yeah.
Did you find the gas block?
No, he gave me one, but then the black part fell off. No, I have it at home, but. We're going! Come on!
We're going!
We're golden!
They're running. Don't worry. We'll go through the woods.
Sounds safe.
It's actually really fun. Excuse me, ma'am. Where's the leak?
Your hop up.
It just keeps on, it's up a little bit. I don't understand. It was fine earlier. I'll get it tuned in tonight at Sam's. Because this thing keeps on trucking. Have you noticed that?
I really want that one. I like the way the blowback is. It's just so.
I think the tech at Running Airsoft convinced me to get a super recoil kit.
Well,
It makes it the kick of an AR-15. Touch me hard. Yes!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it 10 seconds?
Yeah,
10. Okay.
Alright, let's get through the woods. You good?
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
Okay.
So you want to go to the houses or to the road up here? Wait, are the houses like right here? Houses are over this direction. The one's right there. Literally 20 feet away.
Okay.
Houses.
Yeah. Let's go out. Straight ahead. Like, see him? Flipping us off. Oh, God.
That's right, bitch. Duck. Alright.
Oh, fuck. Visual. The fuck?
Let's keep Devin pinned down. You keep Nick pinned down.
Do you think? Yeah, this is some shiz. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna call myself out. Out, hit!